Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update. PPI, 1 hour before the open, we got a flat number, 0.2%, the same as the previous one. But core PPI came lower than before. We were expecting a slightly increase and we came at 0%, and this is quite bullish. PPI year over year also came lower than before and lower than expected at 8%. The previous one was 8.4%. And core PPI year over year also came lower than before and than expected. So all these three readings were quite bullish on the day, and we just spiked on the news. We were super long coming into the open, already breaking prior high, and once the news came out, we just spiked like 120 something points, almost 200 points. And after the open, well, chop land, we are trading within this range. Obviously, this is not ideal. We are trading within this small range of 100 points and chopping around. If you like trading the Nasdaq in a range, this is the best day for you. But this reminds me of the day in which we had the CPI last week. So we got the news in pre-market. We were super long and we just grinded higher. We didn't chop around because CPI is super important one, but for today, PPI, I don't know why, but we are trading in a super small range. If you see the volume profile, this is equilibrium. This is point of control is just in the middle of the range, and we are just trading sideways within this range. We are holding 12,000, but at least we are holding 12,000, but we are rejecting higher pricing. In this case, we are rejecting this pivot. Let's take a look at the 2 hour. So we cleared this pivot. We are holding this little one, and we are rejecting this 12,140. So this level still remains. We have a very concerning squeeze and now rejection. We have a nice bottom in tail, but right now we are still chopping around. We are wedging from the highs of the news, but honestly, this is quite neutral. Apple is super high. We were trying to have some position around this descending resistance into the spike, but no continuation. Microsoft is from the lower side, 1.3%. Tesla 4% on news that Tesla is increasing the volume of Model Ys and Model 3s. Amazon 2%, this flat top that didn't hold and broke to the downside, trading sideways also. And Google is super strong. Look at this, check the daily. Google still continuing higher, trying to fill this gap. We are entering the gap, so we will see how this ends up going. But overall, the Nasdaq is trading sideways, super choppy. It's something that I'm seeing quite a lot. After big news in pre-market, we squeezed a lot of percentage and we just hold those levels. We don't move higher. I was mentioning in the forecast that I don't like being so long during pre-market because then the range during regular trading hours is just so narrow, so small that doesn't give you enough opportunities. So be careful with this. If we break this to the downside, we might test again low of days. So that's all. I don't think crude oil is doing good. Energy is still on the lower side. Natural gas also. For sector funds, XLK is still pushing higher, leaving gaps behind, and financials and utilities are quite good. I would like to highlight this consumer discretionary. If you check, this is a big gap and trading sideways. So I think people has concerns and a lot of uncertainty removes around the market right now. XLY versus XLP, one of the ratios I like to see versus staples is still pushing higher, but this price action is just people taking profits or accumulation. I don't know, but it's not clear price action and it's not continuing higher. So be careful. We might just go lower, do another pullback. Look at this. We are breaking this trend line. So be careful because anything can happen, and please don't ruin your day if you have profits from the news. Just take them and enjoy your day. I hate range days, sideways price action. So this is just my personal preference. So as always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap once the market closes. Remember, the trading day is not over. We are breaking down this small trend line to the upside. So be careful. Discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.